Will AI replace developers?
Yes, I had one hypothesis. I saw it from my friend on YouTube. He made a video where they discussed how you can use a cursor to write code without programming at all. It was a cool experience. I tried to do it in a way that I could write code, but I decided, okay, I'll try following his recipe to create an application just by interacting with the cursor. So there's a separate chat, you see the files, you see the code, generated all the documentation. With GPT, fed it to the cursor, and it understood and started building the documentation. What should be on the back end, what on the front end, what on the byte data. I fed all of that to the cursor, and it understood everything and started building. At certain moments, he was running into some pretty simple mistakes that a developer would understand from the context. For example, he doesn't take into account what operating system you have. So I have Mac OS, but he was acting like it was on Windows or Linux, and that's why some of the commands he was executing just didn't work. And at some point, I still connected as a developer and looked at what he was actually doing. Overall, it was cool, but the databases were tough, especially the integration stage, so it took me about 30 minutes to generate a bunch of code. But to connect everything together so that it all worked and played nicely was really tough. In the end, I gave up on that idea and started writing it myself.